So the modules we want to cover in this particular course is about setting you up for bigger things really at the end of the day. And no matter what you're going to do, no matter where you're going to go, it's all going to start with the tools at your disposal. It's a bit like going to war. At the end of the day, you know, you can have the best team, you can have the fittest people, you can have the most fanciest uniforms, you can have war paint and all kinds of crap. But the fact is, at the end of the day, you need a gun. You need some kind of tool. You need to start somewhere. And the first module covers exactly this. It's a module designed to enable you to go out and choose the equipment you could or you would want to use. Of course, budget will play into this, and it will feature heavily for some people, because at the end of the day, the kinds of equipment that you could get to use for crash investigation can range from something as simple as a cell phone camera through special 3D laser scanners and drones and whatnot. So what we want to teach you is not so much what the types of equipments are that are the best in the world, or rather that people like multimillionaires should be looking at. But at the end of the day, we'll tell you what is available, why you would use one over another, and then also how you can exploit the equipment you already have.